This might look familiar to some of my subscribers, but this is actually not one of the ones that I already owned. I found this on Facebook Marketplace yesterday and decided to buy it because you don't ever see these anywhere. This is a Sharp Comfort Touch. It looks exactly the same as the ones that I have, the 8500 BTUs, but this one is 10,500 BTU. So I'm gonna be taking it apart and cleaning it. This thing is filthy right now, so I'm starting to do that right now. Here's a look at the evaporator coil. It's not that bad, but it's really nasty inside of there, so this is all going to be cleaned. Okay, so I've been spraying this thing for like 20 minutes. I got the evaporator nice and clean. Got the blower wheel kind of cleaned off. There was a ton of shit in the bottom of it that I got rid of. And the condenser coil is definitely cleaner. I don't think this thing had ever been serviced in its life, so I still got more thorough cleaning to do. I gotta get that mildew and shit off of there, but I will do that when I bring it inside. So, and there is some coil rot at the bottom of the condenser coil, which is a shame, but that's what happens when you don't take care of stuff. This thing was probably never taken out of the window, even in the wintertime, so that's what happens. And that's a lot cleaner now. Alright, so the front is all cleaned off. It's nice and clean now. I sprayed it with the hose outside and then took it inside and washed it in the sink with a sponge and some dish soap, so it's nice and clean now. Same for the filter. I washed it with soap and water. Cleaned off the evaporator coil, sprayed out the inside. There's still a little bit of dirt in there. I'll get that with a sponge eventually, or a pressure washer in the spring, but it's nice. The evaporator is nice and clean. Condenser is cleaner because I sprayed that out. There's a whole bunch of crap in the bottom of this, so I sprayed all that stuff out. And there is the Samsung fan motor. Again, this is a 10,500 BTU air conditioner. So it's got a Matsushita rotary compressor, just like my 8500 BTU air conditioners do. So I really like these Matsushita rotary compressors. They're nice and quiet and smooth running. So here's the control panel. It's just like the other ones that I have. Just in a little bit rougher shape, but it's not bad. And here's the case for it. I'll show you the information on the side. Is, what is it? It's R22, obviously. 9.8 amps. Made in Thailand, I believe is what that says. 10,500 BTU. The side curtains have seen better days, but they're still usable, so oh well. I do have to clean this off too. Alright, I got the front panel on. Let's go ahead and start it up on, well, it'll start up on high in 74. Smells nice and clean now. I'm gonna put the space heater in front of it to get the compressor to start. It's a really smooth, quiet compressor. It's already getting cold too. And there's plenty of air circulating through the condenser coil, so that's good. Fan seems like it's a little bit off balance. But it's working good, so. Yeah, ball bearings are making a little bit of noise, but it's nothing serious. It's pretty common with these motors. So I'm going to put the kilowatt meter up there and see how many amps we're pulling. The compressor just started. This is what we're pulling after it's been running for a while. Obviously that would be higher if it was hot outside.